In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix your YouTube app keeps crashing on Android and any other device. Now, if this video does help you in any way, please consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video and turning notifications on, as it does mean a lot to the channel. So now, there is an issue that is happening right now, but there is a few easy ways to fix it. So if you open up YouTube and you are experiencing YouTube just crashes and crashes every time you open it, I know how frustrating it could be, but there are actually a few ways to fix it. This is a known issue that is going on, but there are ways to fix it. So now what you want to do to go ahead and fix this, the first thing you could go ahead and try is by deleting the YouTube app and re-downloading it. So literally just delete YouTube and re-download it. That's one way to try to fix it. Second way, you could go on the internet version of YouTube. That's another workaround. The third way you could go ahead and fix it is by clearing your cache and settings on YouTube. And then the fourth way is by basically just waiting until YouTube does go ahead and fix this issue, because basically after the new update on YouTube, it is having a lot of issues where it is crashing. But those are some easy ways to fix it. But other than that, you could go ahead and wait a few hours and hopefully YouTube will go ahead and fix it. But hopefully this video did help you. If it did, consider subscribing to the channel. Hopefully one of those methods does go ahead and fix it for you while YouTube is working on it. They are actually actively working on it. But yeah, that is about it. So yeah, peace out, guys.